Mayday, mayday. Just seemed like a... Oh God. Lost at sea now for hours and hours. Waves were choppy this day, my friend. Welcome to Switch It Up. We're on the beach.
In February.
In February. Going on a little walk. Might be a little loud, so we apologize about that. We've had a fun couple of days. We got to do a meetup.
Yes, that was awesome.
Yes, enjoy the journey, put that on, and we all pulled together and we all got to hang out, which is cool.
Yeah, we were at a little winery in the middle of Central Florida, we got to meet a lot of new Switch crew, so it was great to do that.
It was awesome, actually. We had a lot of fun. But here we are on the beach, and the reason we're here is because wonderful Jonah and Taryn came into town to visit with us.
Yes, more family has arrived, so it's awesome that the whole month of February we've been able to see all of our kids.
Yes, and it's been very busy. What we want to do is we're going to have a little message by some people to help us kick this video off.
Yes.
And then we are going to start a wonderful little adventure and share with you what we've been doing the last couple days. Sound like a plan?
I think that sounds like a plan.
So we're going to kick this over to some people you may know to really start this video off right. So why don't you go see what they have to say? We are in this wonderful winery meeting with so many awesome people, but I wanted to share something with you. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Let's get this party started!
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Hey. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hello, Jonah.
How are you today?
Got in all right? Yeah. Got in the beach with everything.
As you can see, the beach is super packed, which it should be because it's kind of a holiday and everyone's hanging out. That dude is gonna go snorkeling right there. That guy's committed. He's committed right there.
That water is cold.
It's stinking cold. All right, so you saw Taryn get here. Taryn and Jonah showed up, and we spent the afternoon just kind of hanging out.
Yeah, kind of just checking out Tampa, kind of what they had to offer there. They've got a great river walk, and we just kind of walked along there, had some great spots for lunch.
Yeah.
It's her birthday, so we thought, let's do something
Oh yeah, I
fun.
forgot. It was the birthday. So Sheila set up this amazing like dinner cruise thing that went out, and that was actually pretty cool. We did see the 𝐵𝐴𝐴𝐵𝐴, like the big boat that you guys, I guess, use. Next year, we're putting that on our list.
That'd be fun. That'd be fun.
It'd be stinking awesome.
Well, now it makes sense. Like coming from Kansas, we're like, why did they do the Super Bowl parade on the water? Well,
Right.
now it makes sense because the way that that canal or that river comes through the city, you'd be able to put a lot of people in that parade route. So that makes sense.
It does, and it was very pretty.
Yes, Tampa's got a great, it's just laid out
It's got
nicely.
this cool vibe where you can go down, you can eat, and the cruise ships are right there. So that's pretty neat.
Yeah, take a water taxi wherever you want to go.
Yeah, and that's what we did. We took the water taxi down so Jonah and Taryn could see the big yachts.
Yeah.
It was cool.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna find them. They're on the beach somewhere, and then we're gonna take you on this next adventure Sheila's got planned for tomorrow, which should be kayaking.
Yeah, we went kayaking. Remember last time we went kayaking with them, you had a drone incident.
Okay, yeah, everyone asked about that video. So the water that was super green was outside of Las Vegas, and it was Emerald Cove, so you'd have to look that up, but it was super pretty. Like, so that was the last time we went kayaking with them. This time, we're in Florida. We're out looking for manatees. And
Are you gonna put your drone in a dry bag?
I don't know what I'm gonna do with the drone. I don't know if we can fly the drone. We're gonna find all that out, because none of us have any idea. We don't know what's gonna happen next.
We'll take them with us. How about we do that?
Oh yeah, well, all right, I'll stick you in a bag. You're gonna go in a bag, and then we gotta find Jonah and Taryn first.
When I'm walking on a breeze, I got no enemies. I just do what I please. Yes, sir.
It's kind of behind that big blue building, underneath a low-lying bridge.
Okay.
Just follow it back.
This starts the adventure. Kayaking. What could go bad?
What could go wrong? What could go wrong? Other than we don't really know where we're going.
Yeah, we have no idea. Yeah, absolutely no clue.
We might get lost. Not all.
Sheila's in charge. Yeah, we've got Google.
Google may not work out there.
Okay, so let's.
Okay. So, those are yours. Those are your 2 paddles. I got you packed.
Yeah.
You just need that and that.
So which camera are you taking? You taking this GoPro?
I'll take that.
She's gonna take this GoPro.
Is that the GoPro that stays dry?
Yes, this one stays dry.
Alright.
Oh, we have plans. There's all kinds of plans happening.
Alright.
We're supposed to go that way, go past the blue building, past the yachts, and then we're gonna turn left. Typical fashion, Sheila's already left me behind. So, on past the blue building, past the yachts, turn left. Check. Oh, look at you! You're actually recording. That's not like you to pull the camera out. Maybe get some footage here. It's like right in the middle of all of us.
He is coming right underneath me. He's coming right towards you. That manatee right there. Yeah, shark.
Sometimes I feel like I'm waiting for a shark to come and eat me. Do you think he likes Oreos? He's right here. Yeah, he's coming right at you, actually. He's right there. Oh,
Is there another one?
I don't know. It just seemed like. Oh! Oh, God.
Todd's awful jumpy.
Who's calling me?
Who's your cell phone that scared you?
Oh, gosh. That is so funny.
Can you see him?
I'm a little on high end. No, I can't see
He
him.
went right underneath me, so he should be right over there somewhere.
Oh, that's okay. There's those moments that Sheila says, just go in there. You don't think I'm just gonna go in there? Hey, I'm just gonna. It's snack time. Quick question. Do you go for flattering hats, or do you go for a hat that has a great functionality when you look for an adventure hat? Jonah said he hasn't found a hat that he looks good in for adventure. I don't know if it's necessarily that. I think it just comes down to something you're comfortable in. Sheila's paddling away. Look at her. Sheila brought lunch. These fancy little containers. Is that mine? Ooh, that's special. Little tip. These little $8 chairs. These are good little chairs.
Yes.
For sitting on the beach. They fit in the kayak really good.
Okay.
Jonah's already digging into his chips. He must be hungry. You hungry?
Lunchtime.
Oh yeah.
We had 4 little containers, so now we only have 3 because we lost them once.
Who's somebody? That is
we
not
have,
me.
I think we have video footage.
That is not me. I did not lose a container. You can't say that was me. Good chance of swimmer.
Girls, there's
Hey.
2 manatee coming right towards you.
Right there. Yeah.
Here they come. There's their nose.
They're literally coming.
Stay still. They're coming right to you.
They're about 20 feet in front of you. They're 20 feet in front of you. Yep. Let's see if we can find some more manatees. They kind of like went right past us as we were eating, which was fun. Like, look at it. Look at all the boats. Then all these tours. tours pop up everywhere. Okay, so my snacks for the remainder of this, I had a sandwich, so now I'm doing Oreo minis and a blow pop. Come on now, a blow pop. Mayday, mayday.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you.
We've been lost at sea now for hours and hours. Waves were choppy this day, my friends. Sun beating down.
Is that my heart can't take it? I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing. It should have been you.
Okay, things take a turn, a Sheila turn. Winds have come up, and now they're pushing us. Taryn and Jonah, we're trying to figure out how to get back to where we were. Sheila decided to go around an island, and they were like, we don't know what's happening. And I said, did you check the map? And she's like, Taryn was like, no, I'm just following Mom. I was like, that's your first mistake. They don't watch enough of our videos to understand. I'm being pushed over to the side, trying to stay up the wind. Sheila's already down around the corner. This is such our adventures. We have to go around all these manatee like little areas. Oh gosh. Welcome to 2022. Oh, this is funny. Okay, I gotta catch up. They're way far ahead. See? Look over there. Look, we're still alive. Sheila didn't kill us. Did you enjoy your food?
Yes. It was,
Yeah.
we
Well,
just went a long way around that island. It's a
she
long
did.
way.
It was a long way. So I was laughing really hard. Because if you've been on an adventure with Sheila, you already know it's always a little extra.
It's not the long way.
Yeah, ask them. It was the long way.
They're directionally challenged.
So we're wrapping up at this really cool place. I don't even know what it's called. What's this called? You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, the `𝗓𝐵𝐵𝐻 thing, Tampa. And it's on the water. It's
really
beautiful.
It has like 20 different restaurants in there to choose from. It's a great vibe.
So since they were here, we did all kinds of stuff. Like we've sat on a beach, we've kayaked, we've gone out to eat, we've ate some amazing food. What else have we done?
We did an escape room.
Oh yeah, we did the escape room, dinner cruise. That's a lot in 3-4 days.
It was a lot. It's been fun.
It was only 3 days.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Sheila did a
She's
jam-packed.
almost 30 now, so we had to
Oh yeah. It was her birthday.
celebrate her birthday.
Oh gosh. So with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in and hanging out with us. And if you have any questions about these wonderful places, leave a comment down below. Sheila would love to share with you all the details. She would.
I will.
Yes. So I'm glad you enjoyed the opening, and since you enjoyed the opening so much, we went ahead and had a special outro. I think we should just go ahead and let you see that. And until the next video, we'll shout out you later. Always just like wrap up our stuff by doing something unique and fun. Sheila, crew, 1, 2, 3. Wait, okay, we'll do it again. Like we always like to do, we like to wrap it up a little special. And we've got some special crew here that'd like to say something to you. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.